kill, you get like 10 to 20, like if you're lucky. Yeah.
It's crazy how MMO, like, there's just games that revolve around sitting and just doing repetitive tasks.
Yeah, like farming. Yeah,
farming.
Yeah, farming's fun. Yeah.
Hey, come on! I don't want to break there. Don't do that to me. See,
I'm scared.
That's the one thing about these things that don't turn off traction control completely, is that they break after you're done with everything. It just fucks everything up for you. There you go. Okay, good. At least you didn't break. You cut my power, but you didn't break.
Right, now I know not to go with.
It's not even that scary. It's only scary if you don't know vehicle dynamics, really.
You went 360 in the clarity. Like, imagine if it didn't go 360.
Okay, but you don't have to imagine. It's like you know it. You know that you're within the bounds of reason. Okay, so like yes, that is a probability that that's going to happen, but no more than that.
The probability is death. That's good. That's good to hear.
Yeah, but what percent? What percent chance of death, right?
Well,
of course, there's a probability of death, no matter what you do in life.
Well, within the clarity, at least 4 oversteers, right? Now, understand, right? Mm-hmm. Yes, 4 oversteers like that. You know, like within 6 months of a clarity.
Oh no! I mean,
not even.
That's within like a couple weeks, because it was a completely different setup. Again, training to know how oversteer works in that car.
Okay.
So you're following on purpose to make sure that when you really do fall unexpectedly, you don't get seriously hurt.
Okay, so what was running through your mind when you went to 360?
I was like, oops, that's a little bit more oversteer. Now, okay, now I'm getting a bit more angle. I can let off the gas and just let it turn 360, get back on the throttle. No issue whatsoever.
Oh, that's good. And that's from experience for you, right?
Yeah.
Not most people, but for you. Like,
yeah.
I want to say you. Like, I want to say, yeah, I don't want to say
it's because
else.
I'm one of the people that actually practice that shit rather than getting triggered by oversteer. Like, look at this. Rotate. There you go.
Yes,
see?
Yeah.
And things like that. I mean, but the thing is, you won't get to that level unless you actually try.
Well, I'm glad for Enterprise Rams, because that was exactly the same as Enterprise Rams, essentially.
Rams?
Yeah, no, remember, like, you know, like, Rams.
Oh, the ramps. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. It's very similar.
That's a way to practice.
Yeah, it's very similar.
Rotate a bit. Go into the dirt a bit.
Pulling.
God damn it. All right.
Hey, man. It's not my fault that we're doing content today on our day off. Just chilling.
Ah, okay. Dude,
I
have no days off, basically.
Dude, you went out yesterday. What do you mean? What do you mean? You go on the weekends to do this on your days when you're working.
Yesterday, I had work yesterday.
No, on the weekends period. No, like I've seen you rent cars Friday or Saturdays. Well, okay, he's out there.
Okay.
It's true. Yeah, I see him. All right. Like he's doing his thing.
But this is the oversteer corner.
Oh, this is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not too bad of a place.
Yeah, this is the best place.
That's probably the best place. No, that's a great place to do it.
Yeah, this is such like a well-controlled car. As an SUV, a lot of people have their doubts that this thing can actually not understeer.
Oh, that's good. So, like, do you believe in the all-wheel drive?
Dude, I preach the hell out. I don't know if the all-wheel drive is helping or not.
Because, like, you have a concept of two-wheel drive with this and the four-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive, excuse me.
Yeah.
Because I know you're more a fan of...
that car has been there for a while.
Really?
Yeah.
It just has not moved.
It's just right there where somebody can understeer and launch it off the cliff.
Well, is that their fault? Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah. Like, I can't say no to that. Yeah, it's kind of their fault.
There you go.
Yeah, it's okay. Like, no one doesn't know the concepts like we do when it comes to that type of stuff. Like, you know what I mean? Like, not everyone does.
Well, I guess in practice, everyone knows it. People know it in theory, but it's just like, I don't know why there's a hesitation to even try.
Cause like it's not a very open environment. If it was closed, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
You know the ironic thing? Like, you'd think a track day is the optimal place to practice this, but if you oversteer too much, they black flag you. It's like,
no way. Really?
Yeah, it's like
That's
that is
stupid.
the one place that you can practice.
Like doing that shit.
Yeah, you can practice that at high speed, and they discourage it. Especially, like, okay, they will let intermediate and advanced people go, but it's the beginners that need it specifically, and you're taking that away from them. That's one of the things I don't like about the whole track culture. It's like,
dude, that's retarded, actually.
Yeah.
No, that's the one place you're paid.
Look, it's a freaking Mustang. Let's go get that bread, yeah.
Yes. Okay. I mean, yeah. The bread is, it was very dry.
Yeah. Yeah, no, always getting stuck behind Mustang is like a staple of this.
What do you mean, dude? It just brings out the best in you.
It brings out the best in me. What do you mean by that?
Me as a driver, of course.
Getting stuck behind Mustangs makes you a better driver.
Yes,
maybe makes me more patient. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It teaches you patience.
No, it just fucking increases my blood pressure level. All right, got it.
Got it.